Hello there. Today we'll be doing sliding window questions, all the medium questions, our 40th Neetcode. It's called longest substring without repeating characters. So in this problem, we are looking at a string and we're trying to find the longest substring without repeating characters. So ABC, ABC, BB, and the answer is ABC. Okay, so if we use a sliding window, we start at A, and then we have B, and then we have C, and then we see another A again. We'll have to remove the A and continue with our B, C, A string. Then we add the B and we lose the B, so we have C, A, B. Of course, we have the C, we lose the C, and then we have, that means we start at B again. And we'll lose the C and we have ABC. Then we have B. That means we have to lose both the A and the B to get CB. So that's essentially the problem. Essentially, we keep sliding the window forward from the point at which we of R, the right pointer, and we move the left pointer to the point where we have seen the last index of that particular character we're going to add. So seen is equal to, let's say, a string. Max length is equal to 0. So for character in string, if C is in seen, that means that we need to seen is going to be equal to seen of seen index. That means we're moving that item of C of character plus 1 and taking the rest of those characters and plus C. Else, we're going to set seen to plus equals character. Every time we're done with this if else statement, we take the max length equals max of max length. One thing to note, I think there could be a optimization just to like move this max length into here, because there's no way that we can get the max length. Let's just run it first. Right? So submit. Let's see what happens if we move this here. And submit. Wow. So much faster. Okay, that was quite the optimization. Well, there we are. That's the sliding window technique. I don't think there's any more to this. There is the Neetcode solution to this, which involves using a set and removing that particular item from the set and shifting the left pointer up by 1 every single time. This is going to be definitely slower because we're immediately shifting automatically to the character itself once we find that particular R is in our scene. So why don't we have at it? So this is our great solution at this point. And let's try the Leetcode solution, which is we're going to use a character set, which is equal to set. And set L to 0, set max length to 0. And for R in range, that means we're going to move up similar to how we've done it recently. So while S of R is in the character set, we're going to remove the character set, S of L, and L plus equals 1. So we're going to remove 1 at a time until we remove s of r from the character set. And now the character set can now add the s of r. You can see how much slower this is immediately just by thinking about this particular. Also, the max length is a little bit harder to get because we have to max length, and then we have to subtract the 2 indices and add 1. Then we return the max length. Submit. I don't know if this code is clearer or less clear. I believe it's a little bit less clear from my sense, but it is a little bit more memory efficient because we're, I don't know, maybe we're holding less data somehow with a set. Possibly. Okay. Anyways, that is how we do the longest substring without repeating characters. Again, the strategy is a sliding window where we remove all the items up until the character that we're trying to add, so that we no longer have any duplicate character in our string or in our set. And that is the key to this particular problem. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and if you know what to do, if you want more videos, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.